Listen to that crunch. We're going to do raw bonito with a spicy mayo on crispy wontons. I'm going to show you how. Okay, so the first step is to actually head out there and get some bonito. There's a new Mercury working a treat. Love that motor. So we found some bonito in close and it's jagged a really nice one. So for the crispy wonton skins, all we're doing is buying some store-bought wonton skins, cutting them in half and chucking them in a light oil to fry until they're crispy. I've been doing them in batches of 3 and putting them on a rack so they don't go soggy. Easy. So into our beautiful bonito here, we'll just dice this up a little bit raw. So we're going to go in with some spring onions. We're going to go in with some finely diced dill, all from the garden. Going to go in with some fresh pepper, a little bit of sea salt, and then everyone's favourite Kewpie mayo. Really is no substitute for it. How good's Kewpie? And today we're going to use Cholula. You could use sriracha, you could use any other sort of hot sauce. We've used a really nice koji hot sauce recently that was really good. I'm just going to add that in to whatever sort of taste you want. I want it a little bit spicier today. So away we go. And then we're just going to mix that together. So we're just going to spoon the mix over our wonton skins. Going to go on with a slice of tomato. These are a beautiful black and gold tomato from the garden. Then we're just going to add a little bit of this togarashi. I don't know how this is going to go in the wind, but a bit of a wind assist from the togarashi here. So here we have some crispy wonton skins, topped with raw bonito in a spicy mayo with some dill from the garden, some tomato from the garden, spring onions. What else could you ask for? Let's see how they go. Should be crunchy and delicious. Oh. Could be the perfect summer snack. I'm going to finish these off. You go make some yourself.